We're enemies, but we get along when I'm inside of you. Yeah. You're like a drug that's killing me. I cut you out entirely, but I get so high when I'm inside of you. Yeah, you can start over, you can run free, you can find other fish in the sea. You can pretend it's meant to be, but you can't stay away from me. I can still hear you making that sound, taking me down, rolling on the ground. You can pretend that it was me, but no. Baby, I'm playing on you tonight. Hunt you down, eat you alive. Just like animals, animals, like animals. So baby, you think that you can hide? I can smell your scent from miles. Just like animals, animals, like animals. Baby,
Good morning everyone, I am Mrs. Lasponia, and in this morning we'll be tackling about introduction of physics. What if I told you that physics is already controlling your life without noticing it right now? Physics is a branch of science that studies matter, energy, space, and time. It seeks to explain a phenomena such as motion, gravity, electricity, and the structure of universe and atoms itself. Like for example, when you push a box in the light through a glass prism, and when you observe a person walking frame by frame.
Good day everyone, I am Engine Garitana. I wanna show you what is measurement and conversion of unit. So, what is measurement? Measurement is the process of finding out how much of something there is. It tells us the size, weight, volume, and amount of an object. And what is conversion of unit? Conversion of unit is changing a measurement from one unit to another while keeping the quantity the same. Like for example, the measure of this pencil, 19 centimeter. And convert to millimeter, it's for 90 millimeter.
Good day everyone. Have you ever wondered why a ball rolls down a hill until it's up? Or how cars stop when you hit a brake? I'm Engine Cadet Codilla. Today, we're gonna dive into the fascinating world of force and motion. First, let's define the motion. Motion is a change of an object position over time. Now, what caused the motion to happen? That's where the force comes in. There are three Newton rule law. First, the law of inertia. Second is the law of acceleration. And the third one is the law of action and reaction. Wala na nga. This one is the example of the law of acceleration. So walking is an example of the law of action and reaction. And that is the example of the law of inertia. You keep moving if there was no friction. And motion can be described by speed, velocity, and acceleration. A force is a push or a pull of an object. It can change an object speed, direction, and shape. There are two main types of force. First, contact force. Act when the two objects touch. Example, pushing a door. And the last main type is the non-contact force. Act without touching. Force is measured by newtons. Newton's named after Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton is the scientist who revolutionized the understanding of motion.
Good day everyone, I am Engine Cadet Jumawan and I will briefly discuss about heat and temperature.
Heat flows from an object with a higher temperature to an object with a lower temperature. Heat, on the other hand, is a form of energy transport. Heat is transferred in three main ways: conduction, convection, and radiation. Heat, its unit is the joule. Temperature is measured using a thermometer, commonly Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. Temperature drops caused by the rain. The key difference is the temperature measures while heat transfer energy. In conclusion, temperature tells us how hot or cold something is, while heat is an energy that flows because of that difference.
What is kinematics? Kinematics is the study of how objects move, focusing on motion, speed, and acceleration without considering the forces behind them. For example, when a person throws a ball, kinematics helps describe its path, how fast it moves, and how long it stays in the air. In conclusion, kinematics helps us understand and describe the motion of objects, like a ball being thrown or a car moving, making it an important part of basics in everyday life.